Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to split screen on Windows 11 or Snap Windows. It's a very important feature if we do the multitasking. So to enable it, we just need to do the right click and go to settings. And at the left hand side, we need to click on system. And then at the right hand side, we have many options and we need to go to this multitasking. I'll click on that and I can see it is already turned on. If it's turned off in your case, you can simply turn it on like this. All right. Now let's go to the split part, how we can split it so that we can work. So let's say if I want to open this text file, what I can do, I can hover the cursor on this maximize thing. And let's say if I want it at the right hand side of this part, I can click on that. In this manner, let's say if I want to open my Google Chrome and I'll hover the cursor, I want it at the bottom left like this. And let's say for the File Explorer, I'll put it in the remaining bottom right. So in this manner, you can see I have Google opened, I have this File Explorer, the Word document is opened, and my Excel is opened as well. So I can do, so this is how you can do that. You can try other things as well, like 2 and 3 splits. You can do that as well. All right. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.